government has been trying to legalize all illegal houses on Komdad land. I have not waited, even though I am in the government, for our machinery to move. I have not waited for that. We initiated a process. We have done the survey. We have know who is occupying that particular house, what is the area he is holding, and the local Komdad, that is the Chikaling Komdad, has got approval for that to do all these things. Only they are waiting for a nod from the government to decide the rate and how to move forward in finality. So that I will be sitting with them and the revenue minister and sorting it out.
So you'll start from Chikalim?
Yes, we are starting from Alto Chikalim.
It will be, sir, then move to all other states.
It will apply to whole of Goa, but to start with, it will start from Alto Chikalim. All the issues are with the State Election Commission. Now it is for them to conduct election. We have only decided a date because of the certain festival. We postponed the Zilla election. The rest they will be deciding. We have kept everything as it is, and we have sent the file to the State Election Commission. It is up to them to decide.